Hey everybody, Lagenia Bearden here. Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, today or this week I was hitting my keto heavy as far as being dedicated and all of that good stuff. Well, right now it is 1:06. I didn't eat breakfast. I kind of like had brunch, but right now I'm hungry. I want a snack. So I made some of these Parmesan crisps, just like 4 of them the other day just to try it out, and they were really delicious. So I'm going to make me some Parmesan crisps, and I thought it would be nice to just go ahead and do a really quick video on how I make my Parmesan crisp, okay? So of course you need Parmesan cheese, all right? And so I'm gonna be using the rest of this Parmesan cheese that I've had, which is one of my favorites. This is this brand right here. All right, so I'm gonna just show you guys really quickly how I make the Parmesan crisp. Just like little chips, I can't eat potato chips and crackers and things like that, but Parmesan crisps are approved by keto. They are part of your low carb diet meal or whatever. But anyway, so I'm going to show you all of the ingredients that you need for your Parmesan crisp. That's it. This is all you need, okay? So let's just get right into it. This is gonna be like really quick. I mean, this video will be over in like another minute or so. Here we go. So I am going to be making my Parmesan crisp in my Black & Decker toaster oven. I love it. I use it when I want to put things together really quickly. I'm sure if you've seen any of my other videos, you've seen me cook my bacon in it. It's just a really convenient little oven that I love. So I only get a little bit of this, and I make little round circles with just a little bit of Parmesan cheese, just like this. I mean, it's nothing to it at all. So I guess if I was to measure this out, I would say that this is probably about a tablespoon. You know what, let's try that. Let's just see. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, so this I got in my hand. Let's see if it's about a tablespoon of Parmesan crisp. This is a tablespoon here. Let's put that in there. Let's see, I just dropped some on the floor. Yeah, that's about right. Actually, you know, it may be a teeny bit less. That's it. I'm going to put this in my toaster oven. I'm gonna set my toaster oven for 400 degrees. And I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, I think I let them stay in a little bit too long. They were literally in there for about 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna do another batch. Yeah, so clearly we've gotta keep an eye on these bad boys. So let's do it again. Okay, so I'm almost positive that I let these cook a little too long. So what I am going to do is see, let me show you. I think that's too long. And so I'm gonna actually taste one. Let's see. Because the other day when I made them, they weren't this brown. Still pretty good. The outside is a little bit more. Maybe I didn't. I'm gonna do another batch. So I'm gonna do another batch and let's see what happens. I'm gonna keep an eye on it this time. All right, batch number 2. It's like the middle of this good, huh? All right, here we go, batch number 2. Let's try this again. Oh, I thought I didn't hit play. Okay, guys, we are a few minutes in, like about 3, and this is how they're looking. How they're looking. I'm getting ready to take them out right now. Okay, now let's see how these turned out. They do look a lot better. Let's see. They taste a lot better. They are chewier in the middle as opposed to crisp. My daughter, who is a Parmesan cheese fanatic, suggests that I make the cheese more even all the way around instead of putting most of the cheese in the middle. So we're gonna do another batch. We're gonna do another batch. I'm gonna try it that way to see if it's gonna be more crispy. All right, so come on, let's do it. Here we go again. Let's try it again. I'll tell you what, instead of me using my fingers, let's actually use the measuring spoon this time. To add some McCormick Italian herb seasoning. I absolutely love this brand of Italian seasoning by McCormick. It's the kind with the little grinder at the top. I love this flavor. It is so yummy. So what I'm gonna do is the very same thing we did before. This time I'm not gonna add as much Parmesan cheese. Okay. And I'm gonna use my grinder here. I'm gonna just grind a little. These bad boys in the oven and see what happens. These are the ones with the Italian seasoning, and I think that they're ready. All right, so far, just by looking at these, I think these are the best batch so far. They look amazing, and they really smell great with that Italian seasoning on there. So I'm gonna let these cool and take them out, and I'm gonna taste these in just a second. All right, guys, so I have finished making the ones with the Italian seasoning, and you can see that seasoning in there. And these are really look good. They're a lot more thin. And I think, we have a winner. So, oh yeah, the Italian seasoning on these makes it taste more like a chip. It's more satisfying. The other Parmesan crisp, it's like you're eating crispy cheese. But this makes it feel more like a chip with this extra added seasoning on it. Oh. We have a winner. I am very pleased. Before I go, I wanted to talk to you all about this new, well, I don't know if it's new to me. These strips called Dr. Colbert's Keto Zone strips. I got these because I want to know when my body is in ketosis. I guess that's how you say it. I'm still learning the terminology. But I wanted to tell you all about these because I've used 2 of the strips already, and it's color-coded to let you know when your body is in ketosis. And while I'm starting this this lifestyle change, I want to know if what I'm doing is actually working and if it's doing any good. So I did try one, and it was all the way over in the negative, letting me know I'm not even close. But I did again this morning, and it's a little, going a little towards this area here. So I feel like what I'm doing is working. I'm going to keep you guys posted. I hope that these work really well. So I guess the more I get into this diet, then I'll know if these change, then I'll know if I'm doing this correctly. But just wanted to tell you all about these. This is what I am using to help me to know if I'm actually doing this thing correctly. So, Doc Health. They were only $6 at Drug Emporium out here where I live. So, I wanted to tell you guys about that. Well, right now it is time for me to get started with my work day. Thank you guys again for watching. As always, please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll know every time I post a new video. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, happy, healthy eating.